Hey everyone, it's Bryan Caplan here with the Bigger, Better Biz channel, where I equip you with the tools and know-how to grow that bigger, better, small business. Now today, we're going to be looking at Google My Business, and I'm going to take you through the process of adding your own business to Google My Business. It's actually quite simple. First thing you're going to notice, I am at google.com/business. Now when you jump there, you're going to be asked to log into your Google account. I'm already logged in here, so I am just fine. Now, if you do not have a Google account, no problem. You'll go to google.com/accounts, and you can create a new Google account. Doesn't mean you have to use Gmail or G Suite, but you have access to those tools once you create a Google account. And you can even use your existing email, which might be at AOL.com or Verizon.net, any of those. So let's assume that you're logged in to your google.com account. And now we're going to create a business name. So in this case, I'm going to create Bryan's Pizza. Okay. Now, I type in Bryan's Pizza. This is my own business, but there's already an existing Bryan's Pizza in Citra, Florida. That's not me. So what I'm going to do is create a business with this name. And I'll go to next. Now it's going to show me, okay, where are you located? It's prompting me for my address. So there's an address for where Bryan's Pizza is located. Now, of course, we're a pizza place. We're going to be delivering goods and services. You know, it gets the extra money, so I'll click deliver. And here's something. When we click I deliver goods and services, now I used a pizza place example, but let's say that you are a professional service provider or a home services provider. So you might be a plumber, Hvac, you might be an electrician, you might be a realtor, you may be an insurance agent. Any of those where you deliver goods and services, or you go out to your client's location, your customer's location. You would click here, I deliver goods and services. That means you're a service-based business. The thing here is there's some, like let's say you're a home-based business and you're a plumber operating out of your house. You just go on plumbing calls, emergency calls. You can hide your address right here. That makes sure that it's telling Google I'm not a storefront. I don't want people coming to my address, but this is my legitimate address. And it's telling Google, please hide my address so people can't request directions to my place of business. So in this case, I'm not going to hide my address because I am a pizza place. I want people to walk in. So I'll click next. Now, is this your business? It looks like your business might already have a listing. That's because this is the condo complex that I live in down in Tampa. So I could say, yes, this matches, or in this case, this doesn't match. Let's continue. So add the areas you serve. Use mail or courier. No, we don't send out through mail or courier. Distance around your business. Yes, or specific areas. So let's just say I do specific areas. I can say Tampa, Florida. I could say Winter Park, which isn't close to us. Maybe it's Plant City, Florida. Or what I could do instead is say distance around my business. I'm actually going to go and deliver 8 miles away from my business. And I'll click next. Now it's going to ask me for my business category. Something very important here, and we'll have other videos talking about finding your business category. But with business category, you want to choose the primary category that best describes your business. So in this case, I'll type in pizza, and it's going to be pizza restaurant. Now, once I've chosen my primary category, I can choose up to 10 categories total. So I have 9 other categories that I can apply. Maybe I want to do pizza. So if I type in pizza again, there's pizza delivery, pizza takeaway, pizza restaurant. I'm going to choose pizza restaurant, but my other categories might be pizza delivery because I want to push delivery. Next. Then we'll have a contact phone number, but let's say that we do 617-555-7877. And then current website would be bryanspizzatampa.com. That's assuming that I have a website. Maybe I don't need a website, which actually you do. You really want to have a website, and there will be videos on that as well. But the other thing that Google My Business does is allows us to create a free website based on the info we're entering right now. So I own bryanspizzatampa.com. Let's say I already have a website, or I could get a free website that Google will help me build myself. I'll click on next. And then this is saying verify this business. So we want to allow new customers to find us on Google Search Maps. Yes. We definitely want to be promoting our business with photos and posts. Yes. We can track business analytics to understand our customers, where they're searching from, where they're getting directions from, where they're calling from. And we can respond to customer reviews, which is extremely important. And you'll see other videos on this channel that talk about customer reviews. We'll click on Finish. Now we have some options. We can have a postcard sent. So in this case, postcard may take up to 5 business days to arrive. So I'll send it to Bryan Caplan at 5125 Palm Springs Boulevard, Tampa, Florida 33647, and I can click mail. Google will now mail a postcard. This is the verification process. So this is making sure that your business exists at the address that you said it exists. So I would send the postcard to Bryan Caplan at care of Bryan's Pizza. There's also, if you want to, you can verify later. In this case, since I'm just showing you how to create, you would mail the postcard, but I'll click on later. And now here we go. I am brought into my Bryan's Pizza Google My Business dashboard. This is an awesome thing that's showing me a lot of different information. What I'm going to do is, in part 2 of this series, I'll take you through a tour of all the different features and functionality that are available to me as a new business within Google My Business and its dashboard. Hey, thanks for watching. You know, Bigger Better Biz is dedicated to equipping you with the tools and know-how to grow a bigger, better small business. It all starts with you. So if you enjoyed the video, please click like below. Feel free to ask questions in the comments. And if it's not too much to ask, subscribe to the channel and click that bell because you'll be notified every time we have a new video to help you grow that bigger, better biz. Here's to your success.